Hello and welcome to today's FTSE and DAX analysis. It is the 20th of July and we are just having a look at the levels today. Having a quick look at yesterday, didn't really get any excellent setups, so we pushed higher at the open. So the DAX is actually already open, but the FTSE isn't because of some time zone shifts. And what happened yesterday was the market rallied. Might have got an okay sell off the R2 here. We'll zoom in a little bit so we can see what happened. Got maybe 30 points max off that move if we were to sell. And then at the London Open, basically the market pushed up into the middle of nowhere and then rejected right back down to where we would have targeted if we hit the R3, which kind of got down to the high, bounced and then came right down. Very weak day for the DAX. And then, strangely enough, on the FTSE, the market just powered up, powered right through the R3, which is usually, we get a bit of a rejection off that level. We just continued upwards. I took a loss on that, a couple of trades on that one, about 2%. But that's trading, that's how it goes. You've got to be ready for that. As for today, we're looking at maybe if we get a pull down to the, say, the S2, we could come back up to either the previous day's low or the close. The DAX is already open. There's not much movement on it. It doesn't look like a market that I'll probably trade today. And same goes for the FTSE. So maybe we'll come down, tap the pivot. Ideally, we'd come right down here to the breakout, but I just don't know if we're going to get that much volatility out of it. Sort of 90 points down. There's every chance that because we had a really strong day yesterday, we might get more buying come in today. Alternatively, the market could fall away and aim to get to either the pivot or the breakout short before turning back up. Not the greatest sort of trading setups today. Nothing really stand out. You know, we've got no triple bands. We've got no clear sort of price action on any one price that is going to be important to us. We'll have a look at the history on the DAX. You know, if we kind of do come down to, say, the breakout short, it pulls down and then, say, takes a bit of extra liquidity for any stops that got in here that are long, and then to move back long. But as I said, it's not really something I'd be excited about getting into. So you can see here the S2 as well could be an excellent point to get looked for long positions. But yeah, nothing too exciting today, guys. Going to watch the open and see what plays out.